Tamo, di ba? Tapos Sapporo, Hokkaido naman, di ba? Tapos Okinawa. Okinawa kasi parang Pilipinas lang din eh. So, we can skip that. Pero yung pinaka-main.
And you're forgetting one more very basic thing. You don't have what it takes to kill me. Hey.
May mga jump scare dito sigurado.
Yung parang yung content ng laro, no? Hindi niya owned 'yon talaga. Sorry. Kasi parang
Damn it. He found us.
Pag nag-install ng game o dili kaya bumili, nag-purchase. Kaya bago ako mag-start ng game, di ba may EULA din yun? Tapos kailangan mong i-agree yung dutong Macau, di ba? Itataya ko ang 5 hibla daw ng 20. Ay, grabe, 5 hibla, 21 carats, sana all, no? Espay na daw, sayang hindi
Okay, let's see where this leads.
Ayan, pasensya na. Ano ba yan? Hindi ko na ano yung comments mo. Magandang umaga, sir. Mukhang masarap daw manood ng Yamete Kudasai. Grabe siya, no? Anyway, so yun, nakaka-catch up na tayo sa mga comments. Huh? The winter ngayon doon, 'di ba? Winter ngayon sa Northern Hemisphere, which is opposite sa Australia, no? Summer. Summer ngayon, 'di ba? So sa North
Lighten up, Pai.
Are you in charge around here?
Apologies, no. That would be Commander Nozar. I'm Lawan, his second in command.
Redeem lang kayo. Ganun ang meta. Ilang oras na tayo? Ilang oras na tayo sa walang katuturang podcast. Joke lang.
Galing na ako kanina dun
ating comments na. Pero anyway, pati din daw sa mga one-shot games sa PS3J, nagandahan naman ako. Yeah, I mean, ako, sa totoo lang yun, COD. Sabi ko nga dati, no, during PS3 time, that the main idea dito is that, isipin nyo, ang blockchain is para siyang ledger. Ledger siya ng mga transaction. No? Yung mga transaction na
sounds like some
December.
kind of initiation ritual.
You know, don't get cocky. This isn't a training op.
Right. So what exactly is this wonderful mission?
Well,
Cause of death, drowning. Circumstances of death. Uploading agad sa whole pool.
Sa sentiment niya with you. No? Kaya minsan may mga YouTuber din ako na pina-follow na I totally respected. Kasi nga magandang ano din eh. Napapansin ko sa iba na parang galit. I mean may mga creator na or may mga YouTuber na galit sila sa corporate. Na parang
kaya to.
kasi sila yung owner, sila yung may-ari, di ba? So, once na binili natin, pinurchase natin yung game, tayo, ang ginagawa natin is we download yung content mismo. Di ba? Kaya may wala nga daw ngayong maluwag isang buwan na naglalaro nga lang ako. Wala nga ngayon. Okay, yeah. Yun, no? So, especially kapag ganyan din, no? Pag malapit na yung
Ayaw ma-change siya talaga.
yung mga data files ng game is ina-upload sa server. 'Di ba? Para for distribution. 'Di ba? So ganun ginagawa. Matapos mo na. So ngayon,
Looks like I can pull that crane over to me.
experience the console, no, to the fullest. So, ganun siya. Na wala ang pinaka-issue dito is wala tayong control for the content.
Nahabol ko rin eh. Pero sana ano, yung Wukong
Who is that?
Karja Sun Priest. Cranked him down yesterday, about an hour before the machine trouble started. He's a... Please don't!
Involved in that explosion.
And eliminating the boss ourselves will prove America's innocence?
Right. The higher-ups have decided that you're the only one capable of pulling this off.
Back to 7 hours on chapter 7.
This to do my work, no? Extra kahit hindi OT na bayad, no? Pero pag gantong petics, ayun. Pag gantong
Gusto mong stamina pag yung alang mo eh.
ating comments na. Pero anyway, pati din daw sa mga one-shot games sa PS3J, naganda naman ako. Yeah, I mean, ako, sa totoo lang yun, COD. Sabi ko nga dati, no, during PS3 time. Ito nga ngayon eh, wala kami masyadong wala masyadong ginagawa, no, as in wala nga eh. No, parang siguro 2 months na taong walang work or 1 month. Di ko maalala eh.
The intelligence community sees it. I realize that the gravity in this universe was holding me back. That's all. People and countries are both changed by their environment and by...
Yung mamatay. Pwede na natin itong tapusin habang hindi pa nag-stream si Bobby. Okay, see you later. Mamaya, tingnan natin kung matatapos natin to.
Huh? Who's that?
But look.
Better luck next time.
Let's hope so. But seriously, don't forget that you were like that until just yesterday. In fact, you really shouldn't even be on this mission.
na we need to discuss kung ano yung shared capitalism. Kasi nandun yung key kung ano yung parang benefit na questionable para sa corporate to do this game preservation. Diba? No, especially kung hindi naman about the graphical finesse, yung ano nila, yung take nila. So dun nagkakaroon ng disagreement, no? That includes, but is not limited to, digital preservation. Such preservation efforts includes archiving developments, source code, and art apps.
Better take this too.
What's that?
A disguise to make you look like a scientist.
A disguise?
Yes. You're here to rescue.
Kapag tambay ka, no, or unemployed ka, no, may mga vices or may possible may mga vices ka, no. Sa ibang bansa,
Ikot din ng western, ah.
If I can get through it.
HQ.
survival training.
I'm glad to hear that.
I don't know if I'd ever order one in a restaurant, but...
Be careful, you might not have a choice.
What about you, Major? What should I call you?
I have no love for this place. Let's go.
I'll crank that car down myself if I have to.
Well, but then who would crank it back up? Fine, fine.
I'll see what I can do.
Try luring them into the tripwire.
Hello? Can anyone hear me?
Be back in a hospital bed again, waiting for the firing squad. So how does it feel to be a patient in one of the most advanced...
This is Snake. Do you read me?
Loud and clear. Glad to see you.
So at least may itinerary na kayo, no? That's good. That's good. Kasi kami nung pumunta kami doon, hindi siya hindi siya planado per se, parang DIY yung dating. Kaya yung Macau hindi na namin napuntahan.
Pero simula naman dun sa 3, meron na talagang multiple eh. Mas marami nga lang dito sa 4. Sa 3.
It's ordeal, the trial to survive for the day we see new light.
Hindi na naisip ko eh. Siguro at some point in time, baka magkaroon ng interest. Hindi ko naman sinasabing outright na nawalan ako ng interest on collecting games. Hindi naman.
Boss pa ito. Save nga tayo. Mahaba yung natin dun eh.
Yung parang progression niya, hindi siya something like parang arcade yung style na parang merong set of tawag dito, enemies.
You want to save?
when the time is right.
Gotcha. Getting back to the subject.
Yes, kakasimula lang
How
natin.
exactly am I supposed to feed myself?
You've been issued a knife and a tranquilizer gun.
Yung
Use them to
25
hunt for
minutes
food.
na yan.
You'll also find some.
Yun.
If you don't do as I say immediately, the Sun King himself shall hear of your insolence.
Diba? Kontak na niya yung China.
Get ready!
Maburat kayo ha. Ayun to mga to. Multo na nga kayo. Namamalo pa kayo.
Ano yung naisip ko na solution, no? To be honest guys, no, ito pala hindi ko nasabi, no, before tayo mag-start. Yung solution na tinatry kong i-propose, hindi siya talaga totally
Oh. Nakalimutan ako dun sa...
Do you want to save?
ASG, UK, tsaka JP. So, dito ka muna, best. Utang na loob, no? Oh, Daniel Digat Santos. Hello, sir. What?
I'm an idiot.
Errand! By the forge.
I guess that's my key.
Maybe I should go with you to Barren Light.
No, hey, you.
The laws of the Sundom Ulvund. All for a few extra shards.
And that's not the only mine you've been squeezing. Corvin's crew would have drowned.
Diba, ang digital games is hindi siya tradable. Hindi siya tradable. Diba? Hindi siya tradable. So, once na binili mo, yung
Ayun o. Ito na yung ano. Sa Moon Glow Cavern. Dito naghunto si ano eh.
So, yung server mo, ayun yung central bank. O ayun yung bank. Depende kung saan yung source ng pera. So, kapag binigay sa'yo yung